In this video, you will learn how to solve this negative fractional exponential equation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solution. We are asked to find the value of x. Now, to find the value of x, I want you to note that we're going to send 27 and 9 to a common base 3. And if we do that, 27 is going to give us 3 to the power of 3, right? And 9 is going to give us 3 to the power of 2. Now, if we do that, we'll be making a headway to solving this question. Now, let's get started. So that equation will now give us 3 to the power of 3, right? And this will be all to the power of 2x minus 1, right? And this will be multiplied by, this will automatically give us 3 to the power of 3x plus 2. I want you to check that out to find out if that is actually true. This will give you 3 to the power of 2, all multiplied by x plus 3. Great. Now, how do we go about solving this? We are going to look at a law of indices that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by y, this can be equal to a to the power of x what? Y. The exponent will have to multiply. So we are going to multiply the exponent. So this will give us 3 times 2x is going to give us 6x, right? Minus, this will give us 3, multiplied by 3 to the power of 3x plus 2, right? 3x plus 2, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2x plus 6. Great. Now, flash your mind back also to a law of indices that if you have a to the power of x, the product law of indices, a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x plus y. So if we apply that to the left-hand side, we are going to have that expression to have one common base. And that will give us 6x minus 3 plus 3x plus 2. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2x plus 6. Great. Now, having done that, we're going to simplify. So we'll have 3 to the power of 6x plus 3x is going to give us 9x, right? Good. And that will give us 9x. And then minus 3 plus 2 is going to give us negative 1, right? If that gives us the negative 1, that makes things easier for us. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2x plus what? 6. Now recall this law of indices that if you have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, that x can be equal to y. Why? Because they have common base. So since we have common base here, what do? We're going to equate the exponents. And the exponent will give us 9 to the power of x minus 1 equal to 2 to the power of x plus 6. Great. Now let's see how we'll subtract 2x from both sides. We'll have 9x minus 2x minus 1, and this will be equal to 2x minus 2x plus 6. This will clear this, and we'll be left with 6 in the right hand side. 9x minus 2x is going to give us 7 what? 7x minus 1, and that will be equal to 6. Now let's add 1 to both sides. We'll have 7x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 6 plus 1. So this will clear this, and then 7x will be equal to 7. Great. Now let's divide both sides by 7. If we divide both sides by 7, we'll be able to have the value of x. And our x will be equal to 7 divided by 7 is 1. So the value of our x is equal to 1. Now let's check to see if that solution is absolutely right. We are given the original equation. Now let's check. From the original equation, we are given that 27 to the power of 2x minus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 all to the power of negative 3x plus 2 will be equal to 9 to the power of x plus 3. Now at x equal to 1, will the left hand side be equal to the right hand side? Now let's check it out. We have 27 to the power of 2 multiplied by 1, right? Minus 1 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 all to the power of negative. This will give us 3 multiplied by 1, right? Plus 2. And this will be equal to 9 to the power of 1 plus what? Plus 3. Great. So if we do that, we are going to have this to become 2 minus 1. That will give us 27 multiplied by 1 divided by 3 multiplied by, this will give us a negative 5, right? And this will be equal to 9 to the power of what? 4. Great. Now let's simplify further. If we simplify further, this will automatically give us 3 to the power of 5, right? Multiplied by 27, and this will be equal to 9 to the power of what? 4. And 27 can be equal to what? 3 to the power of 3, right? So we'll have 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Now this will be equal to 3 to the power of 2, right? Multiplied by 4, right? So what we'll have now is applying the law of indices here. This will give us 3 to the power of 3 plus 5, right? And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 4 times 2 is what? 8. So this will give us 3 to the power of 8 equal to 3 to the power of 8. Voila! The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So what does that tell us? That tells us that our value of x equal to 1 is a solution that truly satisfies that exponential equation that is given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.